Hey everybody, we're here at OpticGard HQ. Today we're going to talk about new product. We're going to go over the Holosun 507C-X3. We have a cover for it now. We're going to review some of the details of it, some of the things we did to make it a little different, and we're going to compare it to our old model on the X2. So right here we have the tried and true 507X2. Many of you know and love this optic. We have the rounded top cover with the solar panel. That's going to be your light sensor as well. We have that side battery tray, some small drain holes, and this one's going to be on a RMR footprint. On this side, if you guys have been paying attention, you probably already know, maybe you already have one. This one's going to be the X3. Up front here, we have the light sensor, which is a big upgrade. We still have that solar panel up top, where we have a flat top design, and then we have a little hood that sticks out here. That's going to help a bit with sunlight, a little bit of glare, and some enlarged drain holes, still retaining the battery cover on the side and an RMR footprint. All right, so first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and unload, show clear, nice and safe. We're going to go ahead and install the OpticGard. Super simple. We're coming in at a slight angle here. We're going to just snap it over the top. We do have to come in at an angle just because of the design of the optic on this model. Super easy, super firm, going to stay in place. That's it. Of course, like our other models, we do have some options for lens covers. First here, we're going to review the training lens. Used for occlusion training. If you guys are familiar with our product, you're going to know how this works, but if not, I'll briefly go over it. A lot of people are going to be covering up the lens, or should be covering up the lens when they're learning how to shoot with these. That's going to help you shoot with both eyes open and stay target focused. So once you get that installed, you're going to be protecting your lens, and you're going to have a beautiful sight picture, nice black background for that dot. All right, and then of course we have our training cover. We also offer the glare guard lens. This is going to be a hex honeycomb style lens. That's going to help you tons if you're shooting into the sun. Maybe you're at a match, you can't control where you have to shoot the targets. This one here is going to be super helpful for you. It does have a slightly different installation to the training lens. For the glare guard, installation is a little bit different. We're going to go ahead and load it into the optic first. I'm going to set it right there, sits flush, stays in place, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pop the OpticGard right over the top. So I want to talk about a few of the key features that went into designing this specific OpticGard model. Of course, we're going to maintain all the factory functions of the optic. So starting up front here, you're going to see we have that hole designed to maintain full functionality of the light sensor. Of course, on top we have a cutout for the solar panel. On the side here, you're going to see clear through that we have the drain holes for water still fully functional. And then over on this side, very important feature, especially for these Holosun optics, we have a cover for the battery tray. This is going to prevent your screw from walking itself all the way out. It might loosen up, but you're not going to lose that ever. Over here on this side, we have the buttons for brightness, fully functional. You're going to see that here. And this is what it looks like with the blacked out training lens cover, clear dot. All right, so we're going to go over some basics that apply to all of our models here at OpticGard. This is going to be different than those 3D printed ones you may see online. This is a all in-house engineered in California design. This is thermoplastic design that's injection molded, so you're going to have some flexibility and extreme durability. Cold weather, hot weather, doesn't matter. This is going to stay on your gun when you're shooting all the time. You can take it off easily, but you don't need to, and it's going to stay on as long as you want. Thanks again for joining us today, reviewing our new product for the 507C-X3 optic. Remember, if you're concerned about hard use, scratches, scrapes, brass, if you just want to customize your gun or have a training aid available to you for your red dot, this is the product for you. We do have multiple colors available. Go check it out on our website today.